Hi, today in front of me HUAWEI P60 Pro and I'll show you how to change icon's shape with the icon changer app on this device. So open first the app gallery and in the search bar enter the X icon changer. So now we should tap the install button to get this application. Then just tap to open the app. Here you will see all of the available applications on your device, which icons you could change. For example, let's change the camera icon. Here we could tap on the settings icon to rename it. Here we got the library with different folders with the icons. We could use them or to take a picture right now in camera app or to use photos from our device gallery previously downloaded from the internet or taken on our device camera. So let's use one from the this available icons. For example, this is the camera one. So let's find the similar icon. So this one, for example, tap to OK on the right upper corner. Now we should skip the ads. Tap to add camera shortcut created, so we should go to desktop or change the next icon by the same way. So let's check our new icon. So this is the new camera app and this is our regular default one. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.